We all know that everyone should contribute in the challenge of a more sustainable humanity. The aim of the GEESE project is to take a step forward in the direction of a greener aviation, trying to reduce the environmental impact of long-haul flights. For these flights, we have very few solutions nowadays in terms of more sustainable propulsion systems. The idea is to learn from nature, flying two aircraft one after the other one, just like GEESE are doing when flying in V formation, allows the follower aircraft to reduce its drag, engine thrust, fuel consumption and emissions. This is what we call the Wake Energy Retrieval mechanism. In order to do this, to make it possible, all the ATM actors should collaborate together to support the two aircraft in their pairing operations.
So the GEESE project aims to develop the operational procedures to scale up wake energy retrieval operations. We will assess the feasibility, human performance and most importantly safety impacts of these operations in real-time simulations using human in the loop experiments, and finally also in flight trials using revenue flights. So it has been demonstrated in flight trials that wake energy retrieval can lead to fuel savings of up to 2.2 tons, which can be translated to about 7 tons of CO2. Studies have shown that if we scale this up for the North Atlantic traffic flow, we can expect fuel savings in excess of 190 kilotons of fuel per year. So wake energy retrieval operations can only really succeed if everybody is working together. So we are very proud that already at this stage in our collaboration we are supported by a number of major transatlantically operating airlines and also the other big manufacturer of aircraft, Airbus. We have also taken the first steps of engaging ANSPs in other regions of the world and regulators to ensure that nothing stands in the way of expanding sustainable operations worldwide.